Welcome to Burlap Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to update your Kia Sportage navigation system. First, you will need to download the official Kia Navigation Updater software to your computer. This free tool is essential for accessing the latest map data. Next, prepare a USB drive, ensuring it meets the necessary capacity and formatting requirements for the update. Finally, we will cover the simple steps to install the update directly in your vehicle. To begin, you will need a USB drive. Most Kia systems require a drive with at least 32 gigabytes of storage. The specific file system, either FAT32 or XFAT, will be indicated by the updater tool. It is crucial to format your USB drive correctly before proceeding. Also, ensure your computer has sufficient free hard drive space, typically around 54 gigabytes, for the download. Once your USB drive is ready, open the Kia Navigation Updater application on your computer. Follow the prompts to select your specific Kia Sportage model and region. The software will then download the latest map data. After the download is complete, the updater will guide you to transfer these files directly to your prepared USB drive. This process ensures all necessary files are correctly placed for installation. Now, take your USB drive to your Kia Sportage. Turn on your vehicle and insert the USB drive into the designated USB port. Your car's navigation system should detect the update automatically. Follow the on-screen instructions to begin the installation. The update can take between 30 minutes to 1 hour, so ensure your engine remains running throughout the process. For more great tips and deals, including a link for Little Tree's Black Ice, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.